Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's cook pasta. This time, pasta spaghetti with mussels. Pasta tastes fantastic with seafoods like mussels. This recipe is a classic seafood pasta served in many regions in Italy. Start washing and removing the impurities of the mussels. A knife is of great help. Turn on middle-high heat and place the mussels in a spacious pan. Cover the pan. This is to let the mussels open their shells. Control the pan after 3 minutes and stir a little the mussels to let all of them open their shells. Pluck the flesh from the shells and leave only a few with flesh in them to be mixed with the other ingredients later. Strain the salt water of the mussels and set aside. Now, get a wide pan and put extra virgin olive oil and saute the finely chopped garlic and the finely chopped onion, followed by slices of tomatoes. When the tomatoes are already softened, add the salt water of the mussels. Season it with a little salt, paprika, and pepper according to your taste. Add also a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Others add white wine in this recipe, but for me, the salt water of the mussels is enough. On the other side, prepare a pot and boil 2.5 liters of water. Don't forget to add salt to the water. Add the mussels to the sauce and cook them in low heat. When the water starts to boil, cook the pasta. You may also use spaghettini pasta in this recipe. Finish the cooking of pasta in the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley to the pasta and give it a mix. Let the pasta spaghetti absorb the sauce. Pasta spaghetti with mussels is ready. Bon appetit!